Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1955 Ford Thunderbird. It's finished in Thunderbird blue. It's like an aqua color. My customer is the second owner. It's got a little over 42,000 miles. And the first owner was a Ford exec. And this car is pretty loaded. Love the color. It's absolutely beautiful. So quintessential for a car like this. She added fuel injection and a nice big aluminum radiator, custom gauges too. Love this turn metal on the door panel. Very cool. $42,933 miles. It's got a custom stereo in it. It's called Auto Sound. Really nice dash. Belts are pretty cool. I think that might have been an option. 4-way power seat. Got a brand new top too. It's just done. Car's always been garage kept. He says it's the original motor, power steering, power brakes, and again the FiTech installed. Aluminum radiator, so it runs nice and cool. Electronic distributor. See, it's code T, Thunderbird blue. New antenna as well. Like the skirts too. It's cold here today. So the two-tone seats too, and it brings the color all around. Very nice. Car runs really nice. She's just up there in age, you can't really enjoy it anymore. Unfortunate. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures and information on the website, and as well as the hardtop in the garage. That is included. It's a non-porthole, and that's included with the sale. Thanks a lot.